Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a quick look at a brand new 2023 North Trail 24 DBS bunkhouse travel trailer. We're going to take a few minutes, walk you through the inside and outside. So we're going to step on up here into the inside of the RV real quick, kind of show you what this thing is all about. So we are kind of looking toward the front of the RV. So going on up into the front section, we're going to have the master bedroom first. Some overhead cabinets, hanging closets, camper king bed. The bed does raise up. There's a little storage underneath of there as well. Electric outlet on each side. Window over there opens. There is a little hanging closet space and stuff over there. TV hookups as well. Now this particular one was ordered with 2 ACs. So it does have a second drop-in AC up here. And then you also have your main ducted AC back here as well. So over here on our left, we have our kitchen area. So you have a couple drawers, some storage underneath the sink area, new solid surface kitchen countertops, gray stone oven, 3-burner stovetop, flip up glass lid, Furrion hood range light and fan, and a gray stone microwave. Some overhead cabinet space. You have your digital thermostat for your propane furnace and your main AC. Big TV, electric fireplace, which is basically a fancy electric space heater, or you could just turn it on for the ambient lighting. Electric box with your breakers and fuses, your IRV technology radio, has indoor and outdoor speakers, little hidden space there. You have the Everchill 12-volt 10.7 cubic foot refrigerator. U-shaped dinette will go down and make into a bed if you want. Some storage underneath of there as well. You have that woven material on the slide floor instead of carpet. They use that woven material in a lot of pontoon boats and stuff. Back here into the back section, you have the little bunk area. Now this bunk area and the dinette is all part of a slide along with that refrigerator up there. So that's one big slide out. The bottom bunk will flip up and you can latch it in place to get to storage underneath of there. The top bunk will also flip up and latch into place to give you some more headroom if the kids are just trying to sit around during the day and watch TV. Both windows do actually open. Same thing with the window across the back, it will open. Now over here you have a little area for a small TV. There's little hookups and stuff back here. Inspection panel there for shower and stuff. Now you have a door here that actually has a pretty strong magnet on it, but it basically will swing around and latch into place so the kids have privacy as well. Then you just flip it back when you're ready to close up the slide. You have a decent sized bathroom here. It does have a decent amount of counter space for a small RV bathroom. Step-in shower. Has the pull across vinyl shower curtain door kind of set up there. Skylight up above. Little fan and vent in here. Little medicine cabinet area and some more storage below. And you also have your monitor panel water heater, gas electric switch, and your water pump switch too. And then back in behind the TV area, you have that big closet or pantry, whatever you want to use it for. You got little robe hooks on each side, light in here as well. And then quite a bit of storage space. Right at your entry door, you have your slide control, awning control, some light switches. But overall, pretty cool bunkhouse family camper here with a slide. And we're going to step outside here. I want to show you around the outside real quick. The North Trail is an aluminum studded foam block vacuum bonded sidewall. They use Asdale composite material instead of a wood Luan backer. So it's a nice improvement, helps keep an RV from rotting and having delamination problems if it gets wet. So definitely a bonus for that on the sidewall construction. You have power awning, LED light strip built in, adjustable arms for tilting for water runoff, manual override in the front arm head, large folding entry handle. This one was ordered with power stabilizer jacks. There's also a gas line hookup back here in the rear. Double axle, 12-volt brakes, easy lube hubs. You have the More Ride step above entry step here. Entry door does have a window in it, and it's prepped for that Lippert thin shade you can buy aftermarket. A couple outdoor speakers here. Deep tent safety glass windows. Furnace exhaust here. Freshwater tank gravity fill here. Stove exhaust up top there. Down below, hot and cold low point water drains, fresh water tank drain. Huge pass-through storage on the front of this thing. This was also ordered with some solar, so you do have solar charge controller here. Metal slam lock baggage doors, a little bit thicker insulated doors than some of the lightweight brands. And then they're held up by little magnetic holders. That's almost 68 cubic feet of just storage in the front of the RV right there. Three-quarter fiberglass front cap here. Really nice LED light setup going on across the front of it. Power tongue jack, LED light manual override built into that. 2 5/16 hitch ball, heavy duty safety chains, 7-way Bargman plug, 2 20-pound propane tanks, hard bottle cover there. The lower part of the front is kind of a metal instead of fiberglass. This side, you have a little bit smaller storage door. Some really important informational stickers here. I want to pop these up for you real quick. The very first one popping up is your main production data sticker here. This has your VIN number, axle size, production date, but most importantly, gross vehicle weight. That's the most you can load the RV up to before you exceed and damage something. So very important, don't exceed the gross weight. Next is your unloaded vehicle weight sticker, basically telling you how much the RV weighed when it rolled off the factory assembly line. After that, you have your cargo carrying capacity sticker, basically telling you how much gear you can load into the RV before you exceed that gross weight. And last but not least, tire sticker, telling you tire size, but also cold tire pressure. Make sure you maintain your tire pressure. Very, very important. Okay, so here we have one of the dumps here. Also have the power jack button here to run up and down the power jacks. Unit has an enclosed underbelly. Slide out is prepped for Solaire slide toppers. So if you wanted to add a slide out awning cover to the RV, you could do so. Helps repel leaves, twigs, debris, that type of stuff from the top of the room. Helps shade it as well. Back here underneath the bottom, you have the other dump area back here. So 2 dump areas on this model. Rear jack controls, and then you have detachable power cord. Now this one again was ordered with 2 ACs, so it's a 50 amp power cord when you do that. Just above that's the cable inlet, in case you go to some place and have cable. On the rear here you have your spare tire mounted to the 4-inch square tube bumper. A lot of people store their dump hose in that bumper. Outside hot and cold utility shower, freshwater city water inlets. It is prepped for the Lippert Stow and Go ladder setup. It is a ladder that will attach up there, come down, touch the ground, rated for 350 pounds, where a traditional RV ladder is only rated for 250 pounds. So you're getting a heavy duty ladder at that case. And also it's not attached, so the kids aren't really running up and down, possibly falling off and getting hurt. You can store it in a storage compartment until you really need it. Another thing, it's prepped for Furrion observation or backup camera up top there. Nice safety feature to add. Definitely recommend doing that. Talk with your sales guy about that. Allows you to see what's going on behind you when you're driving down the road or backing into a campsite. All right, folks, thanks for taking the time to watch my RV video real quick here. Be sure to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation, one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. Thanks again.